Happy Tuesday, everyone, and welcome to the second week of our St. Collett's My Pet versus Yours competition. Last week, we have seen our cat competing to see who would eat more croquettes in 30 seconds. This week, their task is a little bit more dynamic. How high do you think your cat can jump or stretch to catch its favorite treat? Let's watch Blackie in action. For this challenge, I want to see how high Blackie can jump to catch a slice of Italian Parma ham. I made my own jumping cat chart. I measured 40 centimeters from the floor, and this is my well done mark. If Blackie jumps 40 centimeters, he's gonna be a well done cat. I then marked 60 centimeters from the floor, and this is my great job cat mark. And if Blackie jumps 60 centimeters, he's gonna be a great job cat. Lastly, I marked 90 centimeters from the floor. And if Blackie jumps 19 centimeters, he's gonna be a super cat. What do you think? Is Blackie gonna be a well done cat, a great job cat, or a super cat? Let's see. Okay. Blackie? Blackie? Would you like a piece of ham? I'm gonna start from 90 centimeters. Now let's see if... Blackie? Would you like a piece of ham? No? Oh, he's not jumping the 90 centimeters. Come on, Blackie. Blackie, do you want a piece of ham? Black, look. Oh. Blackie. Okay, let's see if he can jump. Let's see if he can jump 60 centimeters. Blackie. Blackie. So he can jump the 60 centimeters, but he can't jump the 90. Let's see if he can jump in between. So that would be 75 centimeters. Let's see. Lucky. Yes, he can. He can actually not even jump. He can actually catch it with his mouth without jumping. Now, let's see if he can jump 90 centimeters now. Now he knows what the prize is gonna taste like. And maybe it's gonna be. Come on, Blackie. Come, it's here. Come on. The indecision. Blackie. Oh! Blackie! I'm trying again, but this time I'm gonna be smarter. Oh, the cheek of him. The cheek of him. Oh! Look, here, Blackie. Hey! He got it. Okay. Well, he got his piece of ham. He didn't actually jump, he just stretched himself. He's a big cat. But anyway, so what you need to do for your challenge with your cat is you need to mark 40, 60 and 90 centimeters and see how much can your cat stretch or how high can your cat jump to get a piece of his favorite food. Okay, piece of ham, something similar. Okay, so, and then send me the video that you have taken and let me know if he is a well done cat, a great job cat, or a super cat. Now, you can even tell me if he jumped between 60 and 90 centimeters, between 40 and 60 centimeters, and so on. Okay, let me know how high he went to get his treat. Okay, good luck everybody. Bye. 1, 2, 3. This week, your task is to video record your cat as it stretches or jumps to catch its favorite treat. You will have to make your own jumping cat chart, similarly to how I did it in this video. Remember, you cannot edit your video in any way, and your video should clearly show your cat jumping or stretching 40, 60 or 90 centimeters or even more. You have until Friday this week to WhatsApp me your video. Remember, you cannot edit your video in any way. My number is 087 632 0127. Good luck for the competition and bye now.